Which type of wiring is known as old wiring system? Pattern wiring. These are mainly used for indoor installation. It considered as known as old wiring system. This wiring installation is simple and cheap as compared to other electrical wiring system and also takes less time to install. In the given circuit, if input voltage lies between plus E1 and minus E2, then output is 0. Input and output characteristics are shown below. The region between plus E1 and E2 is known as dead zone. In the given circuit, if the input voltage lies between plus E1 and negative E2, then the output is 0. This indicates a specific region of operation for the circuit where the input voltage does not affect the output. The region between plus E1 and negative E2 is known as the dead zone. The dead zone in a circuit is a range of input values within which the output remains unchanged, typically at zero, regardless of the input fluctuation. This concept is significant in various electronic circuit and control systems where it is essential to filter out small variation in input that do not represent meaningful changes, thus preventing unnecessary fluctuation in the output. What type of application are push button switches used in computer case power switch? Push button switches are generally used in computer case power switches, calculators, push button telephones, kitchen appliances, magnetic locks, and several other mechanical and electronic devices used across homes or industries. पुश बटन स्विचेज देखिए पुश बटन को हैंड स्विच के नाम से जाना जाता है एन इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विच एक्चुएटेड बाय ए पर्सन's हैंड मोशन पुश बटन switches are two position devices actuated with a button that is pressed and released. These are the switches that are either concealed inside machinery or plunged in. Most push-button switches have an internal spring mechanism returning the button to its out or oppressed position for momentary operation. Some push-button switches will latch alternately on or off with every push of the button. Other push-button switches will stay in their in or pressed position until the button is pulled back out. This last type push-button switch usually has a mushroom-shaped button for easy push-pull action. The symbol of the push-button switch is also below. देखिए पुश बटन दो प्रकार का होता है मोमेंटरी और नॉन मोमेंटरी For example, the red button frequently functions as the power button while the yellow indicates a push. For industrial applications like machinery, the color meanings are more formally defined by international standard. A common form of industrial push button switch looks something like this: button, threaded neck, base, NC terminal, NO terminal, NC terminal, NO terminal. The threaded neck inserted through a hole cut into a metal or plastic panel with a matching nut to hold it in place. Thus, the button faces the human operator while the switch contact resides on the other side of the panel. When pressed, the downward motion of the actuator breaks the electrical bridge between the two NC contacts, forming a new bridge between the NO contacts. Switch switched in the actuated pressed state. NC terminal, NO terminal, NC terminal, NO terminal. The schematic diagram symbol for this type of switch looks much like the red thing, with the normally closed contact set on top and the normally open contact set below. Connecting two of the terminals together makes this form of switch electrically identical to a form C, connected as a form C switch. This switch contact arrangement is sometimes referred to as a form C contact set, since it incorporates both a form A contact normally open as well as a form B contact normally closed. Most industrial hand switches are available in modular form, where sets of switches contact block may be stacked together to be actuated by the same push button or rotary knob. This allows an almost unlimited number of switch contacts to be simultaneously actuated by a single actuating mechanism. Push button switch. Internal external button actuator, threaded neck, lock nut, body base, terminal, front view, perspective view. Internal view explained 3D. Button, return spring, plunger, moving contact bridge, moves up down. Fixed contact 2NC plus 2NO. Base housing terminal. Internal view cut section embed assembled 3D cut section. Terminal identification. NC normally closed. NC normally closed. NO normally open. NO normally open. Working practical operation. A at rest not pressed. When pressed, application examples practical. Computer case power switch. Calculator push button telephones. Magnetic locks industrial control panel. Practical connection example using push button switches. सोडियम वेपर लैंप इफिशियंसी 100 से 175 ल्यूमेन पर वाट है। आर्क लैंप का 9 से 12 ल्यूमेन पर वाट। गैस फील्ड लैंप का 12 ल्यूमेन पर वाट। वैक्यूम लैंप का 30 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, फ्लोरोसेंट लैंप का 40 से 60 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, नियॉन लैंप का 15 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, इनकैंडेसेंट लैंप का 8 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, कार्बन फिलामेंट लैंप का 3 से 5 ल्यूमेन पर वाट। कार्बन फिलामेंट लैंप 3 से 5 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, इनकैंडेसेंट लैंप 8 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, गैस बल्ब, टंगस्टन फिलामेंट, सपोर्ट वायर, स्टीम स्क्रू बेस, नियॉन लैंप 15 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, गैस ट्यूब, इलेक्ट्रोड, नियॉन गैस, फ्लोरोसेंट लैंप 40 से 60 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, ग्लास ट्यूब, फास्फर कोटिंग, मरकरी वेपर इलेक्ट्रोड, वैक्यूम लैंप 30 से 40 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, वैक्यूम बेस, गैस फिल्ड लैंप 12 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, गैस मेटल, गैस इनलेट, बर्नर कंट्रोल वाल्व, आर्क लैंप 9 से 12 ल्यूमेन पर वाट, आर्क ट्यूब, इलेक्ट्रोड सपोर्ट, सोडियम वेपर लैंप 100 से 175 ल्यूमेन पर वाट। देखिए डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब, सिरामिक स्क्रू बेस, कार्बन फिलामेंट लैंप येलो विश होता है, इनकैंडेसेंट लैंप वार्म वाइट, नियॉन लैंप का रेड अथवा ऑरेंज अथवा वेरियस कलर, फ्लोरोसेंट लैंप का वाइट होता है, वैक्यूम लैंप का वाइट होता है, गैस फील्ड लैंप का येलोविश होता है, आर्क लैंप का ब्लूइश होता है, सोडियम वेपर लैंप का येलो होता है। देखिए नियॉन लैंप विजुअल इंडिकेटर इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट, फ्लोरोसेंट लैंप कमर्शियल लाइटनिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल लाइटनिंग, क्लासरूम लाइटनिंग, सोडियम वेपर लैंप रोडवे पार्किंग, सिक्योरिटी एरिया, एयरपोर्ट, कार्बन आर्क लैंप सिनेमा प्रोजेक्टर, सर्च लाइट, फ्लैश कैमरा। प्रैक्टिकल कंपैरिजन 3D, सेम पावर 100 वाट, इनकैंडेसेंट लैंप 1200 ल्यूमेन, फ्लोरोसेंट 4500 ल्यूमेन, मरकरी वेपर 5000 ल्यूमेन, सोडियम वेपर 15000 ल्यूमेन। A salient pole synchronous motor is running at no load. Its excitation is reduced to zero. It will remain running at synchronous speed because no load due to presence of reluctance torque. They possess permanent magnet, so no hysteresis loss is observed. Which of the following is not applicable to the disadvantage of moving coil instrument? तो यहाँ पर होगा हिस्टेरेसिस लॉस। देखिए जो केज रोटर होता है उसको स्क्यू करने पर निम्न फायदे होते हैं। ड्यू टू स्क्यूइंग नॉइज रिड्यूस्ड ड्यूरिंग ऑपरेशन, मतलब नॉइज कम हो जाता है। दूसरा जो लॉकिंग करने की टेंडेंसी होती है वह भी कम हो जाती है। सिंगल फेजिंग, ए 3-phase motor must be connected to the rated load voltage and load for proper working. If due to some reason one phase of the motor gets disconnected, the motor will continue to run from the active two-phase supply. This is called single phasing. The motor will continue to run with vibration and reduced speed. However, depending upon the loading condition, the motor may not start on two phases. It will work satisfactorily if the motor carrying the load not more than 0.5 times rated load. Single phasing is not desirable for the proper operation of the induction motors, and appropriate measures should be taken to protect the machine. Cases of single phasing देखिए, one of the three backup fuses blow or fuse melts. One of the conductors of the motor is open circuited. A wrong setting of the protection device provided on the motor relay contact may be damaged or broken. Effect of single phasing: motor runs with reduced speed. दूसरा, it operates with uneven torque and produces a humming noise. तीसरा, due to loss of current from one phase, the current flowing through the remaining two phases increases. The winding insulation at times may not be designed to withstand the increased current and heat, thereby damaging the insulation and causing short circuited between the winding and the motor burnout. It may cause an overloading of the generator. If the motor is arranged for standby and automatic starting, then the motor will not start, and if the over relay provided fails to function, the motor may burn. सिंगल फेजिंग के इफेक्ट: मोटर करंट इन इंक्रीजिंग 2.5 टाइम्स टू एवरेज करंट, सही बात. मोटर कैन नॉट बी इंक्रीजिंग द हीटिंग. मोटर कैन नॉट बी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्टॉप पोजीशन. Equalizing phase voltage: in balanced three-phase system where loads are evenly distributed, the voltage across each phase are ideally equal. The neutral conductor help maintain this balance by providing a return path from unbalanced current. If the system becomes unbalanced due to uneven loads, the neutral conductor allows the system to remain stable and helps prevent excessive voltage variation. एक इस सवाल को हल करना है, इसमें सिंपल से केवीएल लगा देंगे तो हो जाएगा 10 - 10.7 प्लस 5/4 प्लस 2.2, यानी आ जाएगा 2.07 मिली एम्पियर. देखिए यहाँ पे मान लेंगे प्लस टर्मिनल जुड़ा हुआ है, तो इधर से जब जाएंगे तो 10 को पॉजिटिव लेंगे. अब देखिए यहाँ पे -5 वोल्ट है. -5 वोल्ट का मतलब कि यहाँ पे माइनस जुड़ा होगा और इधर यहाँ पे प्लस होगा. तो देखिए यहाँ माइनस से घुस रहे हैं, अतः यह पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. कंडक्टर को स्पाइरलिंग कर देने से रेजिस्टेंस पर यूनिट जो लेंथ होता है वह इंक्रीज हो जाता है. सो द स्पाइरलिंग इफेक्ट टिपिकली लीड्स to a higher resistance per unit length due to the increased effective path length. Silicon controlled switch (SCS) is a four-layered device in which type of fault zero sequence current do not exist line to line. Silicon controlled switch. Practical 3D physical image. Gate, anode, cathode. Anode, gate, cathode. Basic circuit operation. Gate, anode, cathode. circuit symbol equivalent circuit 4 layer model Z Z Z3 3 जंक्शन 4 लेयर PNPN AC पावर कंट्रोल डीमर में DC मोटर स्पीड कंट्रोल में हीटर टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल में इन्वर्टर UPS सर्किट में प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लोड फैक्टर एंड यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर। Utilization factor, it is the ratio of maximum demand on the power station to the rated capacity of the power station। यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर बराबर मैक्सिमम डिमांड बटा के रेटेड कैपेसिटी। यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर गुणे के लोड फैक्टर बराबर एवरेज डिमांड बटे के रेटेड प्लांट कैपेसिटी। प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर बराबर यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर गुणे के लोड फैक्टर। एनुअल प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर बराबर एनुअल किलोवाट घंटा आउटपुट बटे के प्लांट कैपेसिटी गुणे के 8760। एनुअल प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर बराबर एनुअल किलोवाट घंटा आउटपुट बटे के प्लांट कैपेसिटी गुणे के 8760। प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर, it is the ratio of actual energy produced to the maximum possible energy that could have been produced during a given period। प्लांट कैपेसिटी फैक्टर बराबर एक्चुअल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड बटा के मैक्सिमम एनर्जी दैट कुड हैव बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड। In the given speed time curve, the line OA 0 to T1 represent constant acceleration period। Typically speed time curve, the typically speed time curve for electric trains operating on passenger services is shown below। देखिए स्पीड टाइम, देखिए इसे रियोस्टेटिक एक्सेलरेशन बोला जाता है। देखिए इसे एक्सेलरेशन ऑन स्पीड कर्व बोला जाता है इसको। अब देखिए इसे फ्री रनिंग बोला जाता है, इसे देखिए कोस्टिंग बोला जाता है और इसको ब्रेकिंग बोला जाता है। कांस्टेंट एक्सेलरेशन पीरियड OA 0 to T1। During this period, starting resistance of the motors is gradually cut out so that the motor current and hence tractive effort is maintained nearly constant, which produces constant acceleration, alternatively called rheostatic acceleration or acceleration while notching। Acceleration on speed curve AB, starting resistance has been all cut out at point 1 and full supply voltage has been applied to the motors during this period। The motor current and torque decreases as train speed increases। Free running period BC T2 to T3, the train continued to run at the speed reached point। Coasting CD T3 to T4, power to the motors is cut off at point T3 so that the train runs under its momentum, the speed gradually falling due to friction, windage etc। Braking DE T4 to T5, at point T4 brakes are applied and the train is brought to rest at point T5। A diode is turned on by a breakover voltage। Diode is turned on by a breakover voltage। Concept, the diode is a diode that conducts electrical current only after its breakover voltage (VBO) has been reached momentarily. Diode can be turned on by either a positive or negative half cycle of an AC voltage, or the positive cycle of AC voltage if the applied voltage is less than the forward breakover voltage. A very small current called the leakage current flows through the device. This current is produced due to the drifting of electrons and the holes at the depletion region and is not sufficient to cause conduction. Hence, the diode remains in the non-conducting mode called the blocking state or off state. As soon as the applied voltage reaches the breakover voltage (VBO), the device starts conducting. The current through the device starts increasing and the voltage across it starts decreasing. The VI characteristics given. देखिए diode for AC practical circuit VI characteristics. Practical 3D physical image diode circuit symbol T1 T2. Explanation. Typical application circuit AC supply 230 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज डायक ट्रायक VI characteristics of डायक which of the following is not necessarily an advantage of interconnecting various power stations? Improved frequency of power supplied. बाकी सब देखिए एडवांटेज हैं. Interconnecting power stations generally aim to improve reliability, increase operational efficiency, and optimize the use of resources, but it does not automatically lead to the improved frequency of power supplied. Interconnecting various power stations provides several benefits. पहला increased reliability. देखिए दूसरा improved load management. तीसरा economic operation. चौथा reduced need in total installed capacity. With interconnection, the need of maintaining large amount of reserve capacity is reduced because power can be imported from other areas during peak times or when local generation is insufficient. पांचवा flexibility and scalability. An interconnected system can be more flexible in responding to changes in demand and can more easily incorporate new power sources technologies. Practical 3D setup actual system. देखिए पावर जनरेशन ए, पावर जनरेशन बी, पावर जनरेशन सी, पावर जनरेशन डी और देखिए लोड सेंटर सिटी इंडस्ट्री. देखिए सब यहाँ पे ग्रिड सब स्टेशन से कनेक्ट है. देखिए और इसके अन्य पार्ट schematic diagram, one line diagram, typical parameters, benefit of interconnection, control monitoring SCADA system, key point. देखिए बहुत आसान भाषा में समझते हैं. एसआर लैच को 1 बिट की मेमोरी याद रखने वाला सर्किट बोला जाता है. समझो यह 2 चीज़ याद रख सकता है. क्यू बराबर 1 ऑन अथवा क्यू बराबर 0 ऑफ। एसआर लैच क्या है? मान लो एक कमरे में बल्ब है। सेट यस, जब सेट दबाते हो तो बल्ब ऑन हो जाता है। यस फॉर 1, आर फॉर 0। प्लेन टेस्ट, क्यू फॉर 1, क्यू बार फॉर 0। अब देखिए रीसेट आर जब दबाते हैं तो बल्ब ऑफ हो जाता है। यस फॉर 0, आर फॉर 1। अब देखिए होल्ड मेमोरी, दोनों बटन न दबाओ, जो पहले था वही रहेगा, यानी यस भी 0, आर भी 0। प्लेन ऑन था ऑन रहेगा, ऑफ था ऑफ रहेगा। इसे कहते हैं होल्ड स्टेट। नार एस आर लैच, तुम्हारे प्रश्न में नार गेट वाला एस आर लैच है। प्रोहिबिटेड का मान लो तुम एक ही समय पर बोलो यस बराबर 1, आर बराबर 1, मतलब ऑन भी करो ऑफ भी करो। अब सर्किट कंफ्यूज हो जाता है। जैसे किसी कमरे में एक आदमी कहे लाइट ऑन करो, दूसरा कहे लाइट ऑफ करो, दोनों एक साथ तो सही स्थिति तय नहीं होगी। इसीलिए यस बराबर आर बराबर 1 प्रोहिबिटेड फॉरबिडेन। अब देखिए क्यू और क्यू बार क्या होते हैं। क्यू बार हमेशा क्यू का उल्टा होता है। क्यू बराबर 1 तो क्यू बार बराबर 0, क्यू बराबर 0 तो क्यू बार बराबर 1। लेकिन प्रोहिबिटेड स्टेट में क्यू बराबर 0 तो क्यू बार बराबर भी 0, या बाद में अनिश्चित स्थिति बन सकती है, या नियम टूट जाता है, इसलिए इसे इनवैलिड स्टेट बोलते हैं। देखिए नंद एसआर लैच में उल्टा नियम, नार लैच यस बराबर आर बराबर 1 प्रोहिबिटेड, लेकिन नंद लैच यस डैश बराबर आर डैश बराबर 0 प्रोहिबिटेड। यही सबसे ज़्यादा परीक्षा में पूछा जाता है। याद रखने का ट्रिक, नार लैच 1 प्रोहिबिटेड, नंद लैच 0 प्रोहिबिटेड, बस यही याद रख लो। रियल लाइव विजुअलाइजेशन, सेट बटन मेमोरी, रीसेट बटन। सेट दबाया मेमोरी 1, रीसेट दबाया मेमोरी में 0, कुछ नहीं दबाया पुरानी मेमोरी याद, दोनों एक साथ दबाया प्रोहिबिटेड। यही कारण है कि प्रश्न का सही उत्तर प्रोहिबिटेड स्टेट है। नार यस आर लैच, आर यस क्यू क्यू बार, नार यस आर लैच। केस स्टडी, सेट यस, रीसेट आर बराबर 1, यस डैश आर डैश बराबर 0, when यस बराबर आर बराबर 1 both q and q dash becomes 1 which is not allowed, so the input condition is prohibited। देखिए 10 10 00 10 सेट, 10 01 रीसेट, 00 01 रीसेट, 11 00 undefined। SR latch, they are also known as preset and clear states। The SR latch form the basic building block of all other types of flip-flops। SR latch is a circuit with two cross-coupled NOR gate or two cross-coupled NAND gate, two input yes for set and R for reset, two output Q and Q bar। अब देखिए नंद एसआर लैच, एस डैश आर डैश क्यू क्यू बार, नंद एसआर लैच 11 क्यू क्यू बार, 01 10 10 01 रीसेट, 0011 undefined. Practical 3D hardware setup. 5 volt DC power supply, 5 volt ground, set reset, LED Q, LED Q bar. दूसरा सर्किट डायग्राम, नार एसआर लैच, लॉजिक सिंबल्स, सेट स्टेट एस बराबर 1 आर बराबर 0, रीसेट स्टेट एस बराबर 0 आर बराबर 1। तीसरा होल्ड स्टेट एस बराबर 0 आर बराबर 0। प्रोहिबिटेड स्टेट एस बराबर 1 आर बराबर 1। ट्रुथ टेबल मोड ऑफ ऑपरेशन। एप्लीकेशन मेमोरी एलिमेंट्स में स्विच, डी बाउंसिंग में कंट्रोल सर्किट्स में सीक्वेंशियल सर्किट में बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ फ्लिप फ्लॉप में। देखिए, either while doing any experiment due to faulty equipment, carelessness or any other random case, the final result get affected. To resolve the percentage change, we use the formula y बराबर a की पावर स्मॉल a इंटू बी की पावर स्मॉल बी बटे के सी की पावर स्मॉल सी। तब डेल्टा वाई बटे के वाई बराबर प्लस माइनस कोष्टक में स्मॉल ए इंटू डेल्टा ए बटा के कैपिटल ए प्लस स्मॉल बी डेल्टा बी बटा के कैपिटल बी प्लस स्मॉल सी डेल्टा सी बटा के सी। where delta y change in value, y original value, a power of the first element, again change in a and follows for a given function a बराबर x बटा के y, the percentage error in a is given by percentage in a बराबर डेल्टा x बटा के x प्लस डेल्टा y बटे के y कोष्टक में इंटू गुणा के 100%, वेयर डेल्टा x इज एन एरर इन x एंड डेल्टा y इज एन एरर इन y। देखिए यहाँ पे एरर एन एस एल जी fault has occurred on phase B of a transmission line. Calculate the fault current if x1 बराबर x2 बराबर 0.2 पर यूनिट, x0 बराबर 0.05 and the reactance connected to the neutral is 0.05 per unit. Consider pre-fault voltage is 1 per unit. The fault current for SLG fault is given by IF बराबर 3 इंटू ई ए बटे की x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x0 प्लस 3xn, where ई ए प्री फाल्ट वोल्टेज x1 पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस रिएक्टेंस, x2 नेगेटिव सीक्वेंस रिएक्टेंस, x0 जीरो सीक्वेंस रिएक्टेंस, xn न्यूट्रल रिएक्टेंस। गिवन x1 बराबर x2 बराबर 0.2 पर यूनिट, x0 बराबर 0.05 पर यूनिट, xn बराबर 0.05 पर यूनिट। IF बराबर 3 बटा के IF 5 पर यूनिट आएगा। SLG सिंगल लाइन टू ग्राउंड फॉल्ट ऑन फेज B 3D प्रैक्टिकल सेटअप। 3 फेज सप्लाई, 3 फेज 50 सटर AC सप्लाई, लाइन टू लाइन वोल्टेज 400, फेज वोल्टेज 230 वोल्ट, सीक्वेंस ABC, मेजरमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट 3 फेज डिजिटल मीटर्स 400 वोल्ट, 400.2 वोल्ट, 399.8 वोल्ट, वोल्टमीटर लाइन वोल्टेज RYB। अब देखिए फेज वोल्टेज 230.1, 229.9, 230.0। अमीटर लाइन करंट 0 एम्पियर, 5 एम्पियर, 0 एम्पियर। ट्रांसमिशन लाइन मॉडल पाई पर फेज, पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस X1.02, देखिए L.2 CFF, नेगेटिव सीक्वेंस X2 R.02 ओम, L हेनरी 0.20, देखिए सी फैराड में कुछ नहीं। जीरो सीक्वेंस X नोड आर, देखिए 0.05 ओम, L 0.05 हेनरी, कुछ नहीं। न्यूट्रल रिएक्टेंस Xn 0.05 फैराड। अब देखिए 4 नंबर फॉल्ट अरेंजमेंट, सिंगल लाइन टू ग्राउंड फॉल्ट ऑन फेज बी, फॉल्ट इम्पिडेंस 0 ओम, फॉल्ट स्विच ऑन ड्यूरिंग फॉल्ट। देखिए चौथा 5वां नंबर, फॉल्ट टाइप, फॉल्ट फेज, फॉल्ट इम्पिडेंस, प्री फॉल्ट वोल्टेज 1 पर यूनिट, सिस्टम फ्रीक्वेंसी 50 हर्ट्ज, सीक्वेंस इम्पिडेंस X1, X2, X0, Xn। कैलकुलेशन थ्योरी फॉर SLG फॉल्ट 5 पर यूनिट, एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट 5 पर यूनिट, फॉल्ट करंट फेज बी, करंट इन फेज ए 0 पर यूनिट, करंट इन फेज सी 0 पर यूनिट, न्यूट्रल करंट 5 पर यूनिट, वोल्टेज एंड फॉल्टेड फेज बी 0 per unit, voltage at phases A and C reduced, component list, identify the required voltage of the on-load type changer in a unit transformer 0, on-load type changing transformer. In the supply system, type changing has normally to be performed at on-load so that there is no interruption to supply. Figure show an on-load type changing transformer. Secondary 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B. A, B. Primary 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B. In normal working conditions, switches A and B and typing with the same number remain closed, and each secondary winding carries one half of the total current. In this way, the typing position is changed without interrupting the supply. On-load type changer in unit transformer, practical 3D setup. Objective measuring instrument. Supply specification. On-load type changer OLTC unit transformer. 3 फेज सप्लाई 415 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज। ऑन लोड टैप चेंजर यूनिट ट्रांसफार्मर ट्रेनर, प्राइमरी HV विथ OLTC, सेकेंडरी LV, यूनिट ट्रांसफार्मर। टैप चेंजर ऑपरेशन स्विचेज, कनेक्शन डायग्राम, स्कीमेटिक, टाइपिंग पोजीशन, वर्किंग थ्योरी, ऑब्जर्वेशन टू बी रिकॉर्डेड, कंपोनेंट यूज्ड, प्रोसीजर। A 150 kilometer long transmission line operates at 60 Hz and has a shunt capacitance of 0.02 microfarad per kilometer. Given that the line to neutral voltage is 13.2 kilovolt, what is the total capacitive charging current for the line? देखिए, चार्जिंग करंट का फार्मूला IC बराबर इनपुट वोल्टेज गुणे के ओमेगा गुणे के CT, वेयर CT बराबर C किलोमीटर गुणे के लेंथ L। इसको हल करने में मान रखें तो 14.93 आ जाएगा। The disadvantage of machine commutation are both of above. Large machine size restriction on the speed range. Commutation time of DC machine. The commutation period is the time required for commutation to advance a distance of one commutator segment. Commutation time TC बराबर ओमेगा सी बटा के VC सेकेंड, where omega c width of the commutator segment, width of the brush minus width of mica insulation, WB minus WM, VC peripheral velocity of commutator in meter per second, pi dn बटा के 60, d diameter of the commutator and n speed of the machine in RPM. Analysis. Commutation time is directly proportional to the width of the commutator segment, so the time of commutation increases with an increase in the width of the commutator segment. Commutation time is directly inversely proportional to the diameter of the commutator speed in RPM and the peripheral velocity of commutator in meter per second. There is always a limitation in speed range during commutation. Hence, the time of commutation decreases with an increase in diameter of the commutator, speed in RPM, and peripheral velocity of the commutator in meter per second. DC मशीन कम्यूटेशन टाइम देखिए, कम्यूटेशन प्रोसेस वन कॉइल कम्यूटेटेड। देखिए, बिफोर कम्यूटेशन, कम्यूटेशन स्टार्ट, ड्यूरिंग कम्यूटेशन, कम्यूटेशन कंप्लीट, आफ्टर कम्यूटेशन, कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट डिटेल्स, peripheral velocity of commutator, width of commutator segment, narrow WC less TC good, diameter of commutator D, small less BC more TC, large diameter more BC less TC, speed of machine. Zener diode. A Zener diode is a heavily doped semiconductor device that is designed to operate in the reverse direction. Under the forward bias condition, the Zener diode works as a normal p-n junction diode. During the reverse bias condition, when the voltage across the terminal of a Zener diode reaches the Zener voltage breakdown voltage, the junction breaks down and the current flow from the cathode to anode. ओपन सर्किट जब V का मान VG से छोटा है। अब देखिए, जेनर ऑन जब V का मान VZ के बराबर अथवा बड़ा हो जाए। इन शंट जेनर डायोड voltage regulator, the resistor R is connected in series with the input voltage before the Zener diode. The Zener is connected in parallel with the load. Purpose of resistor are to limit the current entering the Zener diode. Without this resistor, a high input voltage could cause excessive current through the Zener diode, potentially damaging it. It drops the excess voltage not used by the load or the Zener, thus protecting the circuit. When high voltage is applied between the electrode, the air between them gets ionized, forming a plasma. This plasma allows electric current to pass continuously through it, sustaining the arc and producing heat. Without ionization, the arc would be extinguished. Other options like dielectric strength of air resist arc formation. Magnetic field may influence arc movement but not its sustainment, and heat conduction does not contribute to maintaining the arc. The difference between both the two factors shows how much of the plant's total capacity is not being utilized to meet current demand, thus representing potential reserve for future growth. Soft magnetic materials are designed to magnetize and demagnetize easily, hence have a small value of corrosivity. Hard magnetic materials are used where permanent magnetism is required. Shunt generator diode voltage regulator. देखिए diagram circuit. It refers to energy band diagram of the NPN BJT. There exist two base collector, base space charge region and the maximum bending at base collector junction. Bipolar junction transistor BJT. It constructed with three doped semiconductor region, base collector and emitter separated by two p-n junction. In an NPN BJT, there are two p-n junctions: emitter base junction forward bias, collector base junction reverse bias. In terms of band bending, maximum band bending occurs at the collector base junction because it is reverse biased, which widens the depletion region and increases the electric field, causing a greater potential difference across it. The emitter base junction is forward biased, which reduces band bending. In a star delta starter used for induction motors, the starting torque is reduced to approximately 30% of full load torque. This is the starting torque is proportional to the square of the phase voltage T star बटे T डेल्टा बराबर VL बटा में कड़ी में 3 VL का होल स्क्वायर यानी T स्टार बटे T डेल्टा बराबर 1 बटा के 3. Microwave heating is based on the principle of dielectric heating. Dielectric heating. Dielectric heating due to dipole rotation of polar molecules like water is an alternating electromagnetic field. When microwave radiation penetrates food, it causes polar molecules, especially water molecules, to oscillate rapidly due to the alternating electric field. This friction between oscillating molecules generates heat warming the food from the inside. Which of the following is the key characteristics of a slippery induction motor? High starting torque and low starting current. Slippery induction motors are designed to provide high starting torque with low starting current by adding external resistance in the rotor circuit during startup. Consider a fixed biased circuit using a NPN BJT transistor in common emitter configuration along with base resistor RV, collector resistance RC, and supply voltage VCC. If beta is the current gain of the BJT, then the stability factor of the fixed biased circuit is directly proportional to beta, which is stability factor. Yes, बराबर 1 plus beta, where beta current gain. Yes, proportional beta. Interturn fault protection alternative. Arcing resistance. Neutral top trip circuit. Detect short circuit between adjacent turn of the same phase winding in the stator of an alternator. Purpose of interturn fault protection. In this method of protection, current at the two ends of the protected section are compared. Under normal operating conditions, the current are equal. Under abnormal or fault conditions, the current becomes unequal. The difference of the unequal currents under fault condition is arranged to pass through the operating coil of the relay. The relay then closes its contact to isolate the protected section from the system. This fault can cause localized heating, insulation damage, and even lead catastrophic winding failure if not detected early. Since these faults do not always cause face-to-ground or face-to-face fault, standard protection may not detect them, making inter-turn fault protection critical. In a synchronous motor, the load angle, also called torque angle, is the angle between the rotor magnetic field and the stator magnetic field. As the load increases, this angle increases. However, the motor can only maintain synchronism up to a certain maximum angle, typically close to 90 degrees. In a power tower system, central receiver system heavily state are flat sun tracking mirrors used to reflect and focus sunlight onto a central receiver mounted on a tower. The concentrated sunlight hits a working fluid, which is then used to generate electricity through a heat engine or steam turbine. Component heliostat system solar power tower calculation. The primary function of heliostat is to follow the movement of the sun throughout the day using a dual axis tracking system and continuously reflect sunlight toward the central receiver. This ensures maximum solar energy concentration at the receiver. Final to track the sun and direct sunlight to the receiver. What lie explains the induction of eddy currents in armature core voltage. La- ED current or circulating currents induced in the core material of electrical machines due to changing magnetic field. These currents are explained by Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states that a time-varying magnetic field induces an electromotive force in a conductor. Heliostat in a power tower system practical 3D visualization. देखिए heliostat mirror receiver heat absorber power tower working principle system flow practical 3D setup one heliostat unit heliostat control system voltage transformer voltage transformation रेशियो दो संबंध एक है प्राइमरी करंट टू सेकेंडरी करंट रेशियो इसका उल्टा वन संबंधी दो हो जाएगा स्टेटर अर्थ हर्ट प्रोटेक्शन सिटी अल्टरनेटर सिटी आरवाईबी अर्थिंग रेजिस्टेंस रिले टू ट्रिप सर्किट स्टेटर अर्थ हर्ट प्रोटेक्शन इन alternator involve preventing damage to the stator winding when an insulation failure causes a ground fault. This is typically achieved by limiting the ground fault current and detecting and tripping the circuit during a fault. Stator winding is stator winding can fail due to insulation breakdown leading to a short circuit between a winding and the machine's frame ground. Stator earthfall protection in generator limits ground fault current to minimize damage to the stator core winding. It is achieved by grounding the generator's neutral point with a limiting impedance and using protective relays to detect and respond to earth fault. Different methods like beast surge injection or third harmonic monitoring are employed to detect and protect various percentage of the stator winding. Potential transformer में voltage measurement accuracy inequality depends primarily on the ratio error, not just the power angle. Phase angle error. Power angle error affect power and energy measurement involve phase, but not voltage measurement alone. Voltage measurement is mostly impacted by ratio error, which is the deviation from the ideal voltage transformation ratio. A power system with a high reactive power demand will result in low power factors. ED current in armature for practical 3D visualization. ED current rotation. This is supply ED current in core. Cases of ED current. Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Changing flux in core. Lenge's law direction. Effect of ED current. Solid core laminated core. Solid core high ED current. Laminated core low ED current. Practical 3D setup to study ED currents. ED current breaking setup. ED current demonstration ring core loss compression setup. Each factor does not affect the starting torque. An induction start in synchronous motor. Field excitation during start of series resonance. Impedance Z बराबर R. सीरीज रेजोनेंस फ्रीक्वेंसी और इम्पीडेंस पे ग्राफ देखिए परबोला या फॉर्म में खींचा गया है। डायनामिक इम्पीडेंस देखिए कैपेसिटी रीजन एक्ससी का मान एक्सएल से बड़ा है। इंडक्टिव रीजन एक्सएल का मान एक्ससी से बड़ा है। What is the main drawback of using an induction generator in a grid-connected wind turbine? It requires external reactive power from the grid. Grid-connected wind turbine gearbox, DFIG, rotor side converter AC to DC, DC link grid side converter DC to AC transformer grid control, V rotor V grid, each angle. In this grid-connected wind power generation system, the wind turbine operates at a variable speed, so the alternator sends out a variable frequency alternating current, which is converted by a rectifier inverter device to obtain a constant frequency alternating current output, which is then connected in parallel with the power grid. The primary drawback of using an induction generator in a grid-connected wind turbine is that it requires external reactive power from the grid to maintain its operation. This means the induction generator doesn't just provide active power to the grid, it also draws reactive power which is needed to create the magnetic field essential for its operation. The grid ability to supply reactive power can affect its overall stability, particularly in weak grid. In a three-phase induction motor, which component represent mechanical load in the equivalent circuit R2 into कोष्ठक में वर्ण में शेष बटा के यस देखिए इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट ऑफ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मोटर total resistance at the rotor is represented as R2 bata Ks where is the slip. Now we create an equivalent transformer circuit for an induction motor. The secondary resistance will be R2. Thus, the load resistance will be R2 कोष्ठक में 1 minus S beta K S. Induction motor model as a transformer. When all rotor parameters are shifted to the stator side, induction motor circuit is given by देखिए R2 कोष्ठक में 1 minus S बटा के S. In a three-phase star-connected system with a neutral shift, how can the problem be corrected? By balancing the load among the three phases. Burden of an instrument transformer. The burden is defined as the load connected across its secondary potential transformer. The burden is specified as a volt ampere. The burden in Pt is given by R burden बराबर V out बटे के I SEC. The rated burden of Pt is a volt ampere burden that must not be exceeded if the transformer is to operate with its rated accuracy. दोनों देखिए करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है burden is the total impedance of the connected devices including meter, relays and wiring. What is the first step in the design procedure for electrical installation in commercial building? Conducting a load analysis to determine power requirement. देखिए And in the design procedure for electrical installation in commercial building, the first step must be understanding how much power the building will need. This involves estimating electrical loads, lighting, HVAC, elevators, office equipment, etc. Calculating peak demand, help size transformer panel and feeders correctly, planning for future expansion, ensure flexibility without major redesign. Only after this analysis can an engineer begin selecting conductor size, designing protective system, specifying panel board, switchgear and layout. Without a load analysis, you risk installing an unsafe or non-functional system. It can lead to power outage, fire hazard, or legal violations. Construction of wattmeter, voltage supply, PT, CT, wattmeter, series register load. By using a current and potential transformer in conjugation with a wattmeter, high power measurement can be done. The current and potential transformer are connected between the line and current and voltage coils of a wattmeter respectively. CT is connected in series with the wattmeter current coil and PT is connected in parallel with the voltage coil. Both transformers step down the high voltage and current values to a value measurable by voltage and current coil of the wattmeter. When armature conductors carry a lower load current, the armature's EMF magnetic force causes a cross-magnetizing effect. Winding in wire-wound resistor is made up of nickel-chromium alloy. The luminous intensity of a source emitting light uniformly in all directions of 10 lumen per steradian is the candela. Shaded pole motors are ideal for low power continuous duty applications. For p-n junction diode, as the temperature increases, the forward knee voltage of the diode decreases and the reverse saturation current increases. If Laplace transform of voltage across capacitor of value 0.5 farad is Vc of S बराबर 1 बटा के S स्क्वायर प्लस 1, the value of current through capacitor at t बराबर 0 plus will 0.5 ampere. The current through a capacitor is given by IC बराबर C dVc बटे dt. dVc बटे dt rate of change of capacitor voltage given C बराबर 0.5 farad. V of Vc of S बराबर 1 बटा के S स्क्वायर प्लस 1 sin t dVc बटे dt बराबर cos t. IC बराबर 0.5 cos t. The value of current through the capacitor at t बराबर 0 plus will be 0.5 cos 0, 0.5 ampere. Which of the following components is responsible for atomizing the fuel in a diesel engine? Injector. Diesel engine. In a diesel engine, the component responsible for atomizing the fuel is the fuel injector. In a diesel engine, fuel injected directly into the combustion chamber at high pressure. The fuel injector sprays the diesel fuel in form of tiny droplets. Atomization, ensuring better mixing with air and more efficient combustion. Atomization is critical for proper ignition since diesel engines rely on compression ignition, not spark plugs. Fuel system. In an engine, fuel reaches the cylinder bore through the following path: fuel tank, water separator, feed pump, filter, इंजेक्शन पंप, इंजेक्टर नोजल, सिलेंडर। देखिए अब टर्बो चार्जर। A turbocharger in a diesel engine is a device that increases power and efficiency by compressing intake air before it enters the combustion chamber. This compressed air with a high density of oxygen allows the engine to burn more fuel, resulting more power output and improved fuel economy. The turbocharger uses the energy from exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which in turn drives a compressor that compresses the intake air. Carburetor. Diesel engines do not use carburetor. They operate on a compression ignition principle where air is compressed to high pressure and fuel is injected into compressed air, causing it to ignite. Instead of a carburetor, diesel engine utilize fuel injection system, often direct injection, for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Electric arc welding is a type of welding. Fusion welding. Cogeneration. Cogeneration, also called combined heat and power (CHP), is a highly efficient process that uses one fuel source, example natural gas, to generate electricity and heat. Cogeneration reduces energy waste by simultaneously producing electricity and useful thermal energy, while a well-designed tariff system incentivizes off-peak energy usage, lower overall cost. This results in higher overall efficiency up to 80 से 90% compared to just 30 से 50% in conventional separate generation tariff system. A tariff system is a pricing structure for electricity use, flat rate, time of use, demand-based tariff systems that are well designed, like time of use pricing, encourage energy consumption during off-peak hour, leading to lower energy bills and better load distribution. Microwave ovens use microwave radiation to heat food. Materials placed inside must allow microwaves to pass or absorb them safely. Conductive material like metal can reflect microwaves and causes spark or fires. Which of the following is a common internal fault in transformer? Winding inter-turn short circuits. Which type of transformer is best suited for applications that require a low leakage reactance? Cell type transformer. देखिए types of transformer practical 3D visualization ring type transformer core type transformer cell type transformer laminated type transformer. If the quality factor Q of a resonant series circuit increases, then what happens to the voltage magnification? It increases because energy losses decreases. Universal motor. Universal motor are a type of motor that can operate AC and DC supplies. In these motors, the stator field winding and rotor winding are connected in series. This series connection causes the same current to flow through both windings, since both magnetic field produced by the stator and the armature current reverse simultaneously with AC. The direction of torque remains the same, enabling the motor to run on an AC supply. The key point is that in series configuration, torque is proportional to the square of the armature current, which result in very high starting torque, making universal motors ideal for appliances like mixer, drills, vacuum cleaners. How does the starting torque of a split phase motor compare with that of a saddle pole motor? A split phase motor have higher starting torque. A composite magnetic circuit consisting of three different magnetic material of different permeability are joined in the form of a ring. The total reluctance is the sum of individual reluctance. Why is an electrodynamometer type wattmeter used as a standard instrument in laboratories? It has high accuracy and precision. Condition for parallel operation of transformers necessary condition. Same phase angle shift, same polarity, same phase sequence, same frequency. Sufficient conditions, same voltage ratio and turn ratio, same percentage impedance, same kVA rating. If the sufficient conditions are not met, parallel operation of the transformer is possible but not optimal. BJT in active region. In the active region, the collector current IC primarily consists of majority carrier current. Carriers are injected from the emitter and collected at the collector. Monitor carriers current ICO reverse saturation current across the collector base junction typically very small. IC बराबर IC majority plus ICO minority. ICO is the collector to base reverse saturation current. It is caused by minority carriers in the reverse bias collector base junction. It exists even when no base current flow. What is a key factor in the installation and costing of electrical systems for commercial buildings? Ensuring compliance with electrical codes and standards while estimating material and labor costs. Which of the following is commonly used light source in modern street light installation? High pressure sodium lamps. Stereo load losses in synchronous motor are caused by leakage fluxes and harmonic effects. In Lambert's cosine law, the angle theta is measured between incident light and normal flux axis normal to the surface. Closed feeder ring. A closed feeder ring, also called a ring main system, is a looped electrical distribution system where power can flow in multiple directions around the ring. Purpose of a closed feeder ring to improve reliability, to create a looped power supply, to enhance load balancing, to support fault isolation. Which underground cable laying method requires re-excavation or load expansion, making modifications costly? Direct laying. Direct laying. This method requires digging 1.5 meter deep and 0.45 meter wide trench, which is then covered with sand. The cables are laid in the trench and covered with a 10 cm thick layer of sand to protect against mechanical injury. The trench is then covered with bricks and other material. If more than one cable is required to be laid in a trench, then a horizontal or vertical interaxial spacing of 30 cm is provided to prevent mutual heating. Direct laying requires re-excavation when load expansion or modification is needed, making making it costly and labor intensive. Draw in the system duct or conduit of cast iron or concrete or glazed stone with manholes are placed at suitable locations along the cable route. The manholes are used for pulling the cable in position. Troughing system. A troughing system, also known as a cable troughing system or cable raceway, is a specialized system designed to protect, organize, and route electrical cables within defined pathway. Cables are laid in precast concrete or fiberglass through which are then covered. Solid system. Underground cables are laid in open pipes or through along the cable route. The trough are usually made of asphalt, stoneware, or cast iron. Asphaltic compound is used for filling the trough once the cable is laid in position. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding the vector method in a circuit analysis? Phasor in the vector method rotate in a clockwise direction in the complex plane. यही रंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट करता है. Luminous intensity of a light source is defined as the luminous flux per unit solid angle. Variable frequency drive (BFD) enables four-quadrant operation of induction motors, rotor resistance control, stator voltage control, and direct on-line starting are the starting method of induction motors. Variable frequency drive (VFD). Variable frequency drive (VFD) can enable four-quadrant operation of an induction motor. This means the motor can be controlled in both forward and reverse directions, and it can also generate torque, which is essential for regenerative braking or other applications requiring precise motor control. Which of the following is an example of constant load application for a DC shunt motor? Centrifugal pump. In large-scale solar PV plants, why is string inverter technology preferred over central inverter in some cases? It reduces power losses due to shading and mismatch. How many types of heating element are commonly used in electric irons? 2. Accurate power calculation ensures the system is appropriately sized and avoids overload. Protective devices like circuit breaker, fuses, overload relay are essential to prevent equipment damage and ensure safety. Power calculation ensure the motor cable supply system are appropriately sized. Okay, which of the following is a critical factor in installation and estimation of agriculture pump and floor mills? Calculating the power requirement and selecting appropriate protective devices. Why is voltage drop analysis important in AC distribution system? To ensure voltage levels remain within acceptable limits. Voltage drop analysis help ensure the end user receives the correct voltage needed for safe and reliable operation of electrical devices. Regulatory standards typically specify that the voltage at a user point of connection should not deviate more than ±5% for most systems from the 230 volt nominal. The range would be excessive voltage drop can cause equipment malfunctions or failure. Therefore, analyzing and minimizing voltage drop help maintain power quality and protect end user equipment. Also, engineer can size conductor correctly, reduce losses and maintain voltage within this acceptable range. How can polarity in transformer be verified? By using a voltmeter to measure the voltage difference. To check polarity, a voltmeter is used to measure the voltage difference between the primary and secondary terminals. Usually, one terminal from each is temporarily connected together. The resulting voltage reading help determine whether the winding are additive or subtractive polarity configuration. What will be the voltage relationship of frequency domain relation for inductor having time domain V of t बराबर L into di upon dt, V of s बराबर L s I of s minus L I 0. When an inductor is represented in frequency domain, it represents as SL and the initial current across the inductor is also considered I of s L s I अब देखिए V of s आफ्टर सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखिए I of s V0 of s L I of 0 L s